really interesting idea in Blade Runner around if technology was reset and electricity didn't exist, and if we were in a place where it was more of an organic display system, what would that mean? What would that mean for the visual language? So Territory Studio started out as a general design creative agency. We've grown into a series of specialisms, one of which is fictional user interfaces for films. Going forward into Blade Runner, where you're working with Denis Villeneuve, that's a really interesting challenge because you're then sitting somewhere between nostalgia and this complete adoration of the film that's gone before.
The brief initially was quite broad. It was to conceptualize the technology of the world. Denis said, I don't want anything that's been seen before, which is it's a wonderful task to have.
There's these layers of ideas that come through in user interfaces for films and holograms that is more than just the colour of it. And directors are great at expressing those more abstract layered ideas, but they can't do it in an email, and they're not going to do it in an email. cineSync has really enabled us to work with other teams further afield or working with our clients and not having to prescribe things in written word.
One of the things I find very interesting with creative discussions using cineSync is that you actually get to have one. You get on a call where you're looking at a clip together, you're looking at media together, and a discussion can actually be had. And oftentimes in our cineSync review sessions, supervisors and even directors are coming up with new ideas as they're watching it. It allows them to have this free-flowing thought process.
You get the video playback and you can see things being drawn up and written on screens, and there's a sense of emotion in those remarks that are coming through that you can pick up on. It becomes more of an acting blocking session, but with a designer.
Being able to have those conference calls and to get direct feedback is the next best thing to being there and having face-to-face interaction. We wouldn't be able to operate in the film industry to the level we do without it.